Here's a creative way to turn everyday dollar store finds into a stunning centerpiece. Using basic items like paper towel holders and mirrors, we built a tall floral tower that's full of elegant detail. A mirrored base adds shine, while floral foam on top holds rich purple blooms in place. Crystal-style droplets give it a touch of glam, and a matching floral ball finishes off the look. It's a budget-friendly statement piece that looks straight out of a boutique event. For this dreamy outdoor decor, we transformed hula hoops into a light-up floral display. Spray-painted gold and secured together. With a little floral foam and faux blooms, this piece makes the perfect photo-worthy backdrop. Whether for weddings, garden parties, or just to elevate your space. This modern vase started with just a toilet paper roll and some foam. We trimmed, glued, and shaped the base, then used spackle to build a smooth, sculptural form. We sanded it down and finished it with spray paint for a sleek, high-end look. It's an affordable DIY dupe that adds a trendy touch to any space.